Hello children, in this video we are going to see the objective type questions of chapter 3 synthetic fibers and plastics. The first one in that is rayon is different from synthetic fibers because. Why is it so? Because it's not completely synthetic and not completely natural. Why is it not completely synthetic? Because its raw material is partially natural, that is wood pulp. Now the next one is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Synthetic fibers are also called dash and dash fibers. Synthetic means something that is not natural, so therefore it is artificial, and it's something that man has made, so it is man-made. So it is either man-made or artificial. And then second one is synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw material called. What is the raw material used for synthetic fibers? Petrochemicals. So chemicals derived from petroleum, that is petrochemicals. Like synthetic fibers, plastic is also a polymer. What is polymer? Polymer means many units of similar kind linked. But plastic is different from synthetic fibers because it is cross-linking polymer. But polymer all the same. Hence our answers are synthetic fibers are also called artificial or man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw materials called petrochemical. Like synthetic fibers, plastic is also a polymer. That marks the end of fill in the blanks with appropriate words. We'll see the next part of the objective type questions. Next part, we have to categorize the items that's given in the list as the one that can be recycled and the one that cannot be recycled. The things that are given are telephone instruments, plastic toys, cooker handles, carry bags, ballpoint pens, plastic bowls, plastic covering the electrical wires or insulation, plastic chairs, electrical switches. These are the things that we have to categorize as something that can be recycled. Recycle as in reused. We can change it into something else. Now let's see how it can be categorized. Ones that can be recycled are plastic chairs, plastic bowls, plastic toys, plastic covering the electrical wires. These are the things that can be recycled, whereas ones that cannot be recycled are cooker handles, electrical switches, telephones, and again there are some more things that can be recycled, and they are ballpoint pens and carry bags, polythene bags. Now based on this we could deduce that the thermoplastics are recyclable, whereas thermosetting plastics are not really recyclable. So it has to be used very carefully. Now in the next objective type questions we are going to see match the following. Match the terms of column A correctly with the phrases given in column B. Now first one is polyester, Teflon, rayon and nylon in column A. And in column B we have prepared using wood pulp, used for making parachutes and stockings, used to make non-stick cookwares, fabrics do not wrinkle easily. Now these are the things that are in column B. Now we have to see which one goes with what. Now polyester, we all know, is a fabric that does not wrinkle easily. It is easily ironable and therefore it has to be matched with fabrics that do not wrinkle easily. Teflon, we know Teflon plated cookwares. So it is used to make non-stick cookwares. Next one is rayon. As we know, rayon is neither completely synthetic nor completely natural. Why? Because it is made with wood pulp. So therefore, we have to match it with prepared using wood pulp. Lastly, we have nylon, which has strength of a steel wire. Therefore, it is used to make parachutes and stockings, which are supposed to be very durable and strong. The strength is required. That is why these things are made with nylon. That's all for now. Thank you and have a good day.